Are you looking for the best charger hidden cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best charger hidden cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Laboom USB Charger Camera. The Laboom hidden camera is a discreet device designed to blend into your surroundings while providing reliable security. It looks just like a standard USB phone charger, allowing you to charge your devices while recording in full 1080p HD with a wide 100 degrees angle. You can easily set it up by choosing between loop or motion detection modes, ensuring you capture important moments without hassle. With advanced motion detection, the camera automatically starts recording when it senses movement, so you won't miss any activity. Plus, it operates without the need for Wi-Fi or apps, keeping your data secure and private. What we like: discreet design, easy setup, motion detection, data privacy. Number 2. Asani Hidden Spy Camera USB Charger. The Asani Hidden Spy Camera USB Charger is a discreet and versatile hidden camera that is perfect for monitoring your home, office, or car. With its 1080p HD video quality and 120 degrees wide-angle lens, you can capture every moment in high definition. The motion detection function sends push notifications to your phone when it detects movement, and the SD card protection ensures that your data is safe. The camera is easy to use. Simply plug it into a power outlet, insert a micro SD card, and you're ready to go. With its compact and stylish design, this hidden spy camera is perfect for keeping an eye on your valuables when you're not around. What we like: discreet design, high-quality 1080p HD video, 120 degrees wide-angle lens, motion detection function, SD card protection. Number 3. Fijawee Spy Camera Charger HD 1080p. The Fijawee Spy Camera is a discreet and easy-to-use security solution for your home or office. With its plug-and-play design, you can set it up quickly and start monitoring without any hassle. Its advanced motion detection technology ensures you stay informed, as you receive notifications directly on your phone when movement is detected. The camera captures a wide 110-degree viewing angle in stunning 1080p HD, allowing you to gather essential details. Plus, it offers up to 120 hours of loop recording, giving you ample coverage without the need for constant manual checks. What we like: discreet design, advanced motion detection, wide viewing angle, long recording time. Number 4. QETATIY 4K Hidden Camera Charger. The QETATIY Hidden Camera Charger is an innovative device that combines home security with convenience. Simply insert a micro SD card, plug it in, and start recording. No complicated setup needed. It features 4K night vision, allowing you to monitor your home even in low light, making it perfect for keeping an eye on your baby or pets. With motion detection and a wide 160 degrees angle, this camera captures more of your space, ensuring you don't miss any important moments. Plus, you can charge your devices while it records, offering dual functionality in one compact design. What we like: easy plug-and-play setup, 4K night vision capability, wide-angle motion detection, universal compatibility, charge devices while recording.